In this video, we will be talking about the 5 important clauses in a business contract. But before we start, let's first answer the question, what is the purpose of a business contract? A business contract exists to establish a business relationship between two parties and specify what obligations and responsibilities they owe to each other. They protect and mitigate the risk involved in a business partnership or operation. Without a contract, you could find yourself in a problematic situation should the other party refuse to uphold their end of the bargain. The 5 important clauses in a business contract.
Severability clause. This clause dictates if any of the provisions in the contract are illegal, invalid, or enforceable. It eliminates the offending provision of the contract without affecting the rest of it.
Governing jurisdiction clause. Jurisdiction clauses determine under which court of law disputes for the contract fall.
Force majeure clause. A force majeure clause relieves a party from any obligation or liability if it becomes impractical, illegal, or impossible to uphold their end of the contract.
Limitations on liability clause. A limitation on the liability clause restricts the amount and form of compensation that a party would pay in the case of losses.
Confidentiality clause. The confidentiality clause protects the information of one or both parties.
Damages clause. Also called a liquidated damages clause, is a provision used to specify how much a party will pay for breaching a contract or failing to perform a designated duty. Contracts, whether verbal or written, govern and define corporate relationships. Careful planning and comprehensive drafting will fully and clearly outline the rights and obligations of the parties. At Bowen Law, we provide reliable and efficient counsel to clients in legal matters in the business context. Contact a Muskegon business attorney today to secure a business contract that proctors all your business interests.